In this video tutorial, we will show you how to set up your pipeline for Google Cloud Storage to BigQuery using Striim's Flow Designer. Through this process, we will show you how to use Striim to create an incremental batch application. First, we will set up your application to get all of your data moved over to BigQuery. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. Name your new application. Search for your desired components. Next, you can drag and drop your correct source, in this case Google Cloud Storage. Name your new source. Configuring your source requires your project ID, bucket name, and service account key. Under Advanced Settings, you can select your file format and other preferences. Next, we will add a query to our application to parse the JSON object file within our GCS source bucket. Click the plus sign symbol to select your component, in this case a query component. Write and name your query and click Save. Now that you have your source configured, you will configure your BigQuery connection. Search for BigQuery target component and drag to connect to the continuous query stream. To configure BigQuery, provide the table you would like to write the data to, the project ID, service account key, and upload policy. Under Advanced Settings, make selections such as your upload files, mode, and batch policy. Once you have set your preferences and reviewed your source and target, we will deploy your application. Click the eye icon to preview the data stream, and then select Start App and watch as the data is loaded into BigQuery in real time. We will run several queries in BigQuery to show that the application is moving events over to BigQuery. In this video, you have seen a Google Cloud Storage to BigQuery pipeline created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.